today I will show you a lot of interesting stuff that happened to this Alfa Romeo 4C. So take your seat, we're starting. In the previous series I said that I have replaced wall radiator sandwich with new one just because this air diffuser was cracked. You see here it has some damage, so it needs to be replaced. But inside of the sandwich old radiator is installed, and now new one is arrived, and now we will replace it. Also I need to replace rear guard that covers engine underneath. I have bought new one. It's not new from factory, but use it in good shape. So later it will be replaced. I haven't mentioned it before, but I have replaced wheels for this classical one with I think 5-hole design with original Pirelli P0 Corsa tires. I have bought them separately from the car because 3 wheels of 4 were damaged and I'm unable to repair them. So today will be very interesting and very important day because we are almost ready to start Alfa Romeo 4C and see if engine working or not. When we were assembling car, we found that one item is also broken. As you can see here, it's intake manifold and it completely destroyed because when car has road accident, it was hit by some part of frame, or I'm not sure, but it was destroyed. So today we will install a new one. Here I bought a new intake manifold and also a new throttle. It's not new, it's almost like new. It was cleared and it is the same that came with car, but it cleared and now it looks like new. So we will install it, and also we will fill in engine coolant. It has around 10 liters in this system. And also I have decided to change exhaust system because I think that original system looks very ugly because of this ends. I really don't know why they decided to do this, because it's weird and it looks very bad with this car. I don't like how it pops off the bumper, so I think it destroys overall look of rear of the car. So I have decided to make centerless exhaust, and as you can see here, I have installed a rear bumper, but it's temporary bumper. It was bought just for rear grills, because you can see here that this grill doesn't have hole for exhaust. Those one is also, and it has fabric original holes in the center. Originally this bumper came with Akrapovic exhaust, but I don't like this item here. I don't know what is the exact name of it, but it's Akrapovic exhaust has some carbon fiber item here, so it looks a little bit not good. I like how this exhaust looking like. This exhaust is made from titanium, so it weighs nothing, it weighs less than original one, and also I think it looks much better. So we almost ready to fire the car. As you can see, I have key here. It's not original one, but with help of it I will be able just to start a car, and later I will order original keys from factory. Oil is filled up, coolant is filled up, so everything is ready. Also I have checked car with computer tool. I'm using Launch for this, and there is no any critical errors that can do any harm to car when we will try to fire it up. So from this point everything seems to be ready, and we can try to start the car. So write your suggestions in comment. Will it start after 2 years of standing or not? So we're starting. This is huge success because car is running, but seems engine has some problems. I'm not sure which one, but there was check engine light on dashboard. So I will try to find out what's happening with it. And we will check with help of this tool, Launch. We will see what problem car has now. Okay, so we have two problems now. First of all, we have Westgate solenoid problem. Seems maybe we have missed to connect it, or I'm not sure. And we have fuel pressure too low. I'm not sure for now what's happening, but we will try to understand it, and we will try to find the solution. But usually it happens when car was standing for such a long time. So maybe we just need to hit engine and see if it will help. Anyway, we have huge success for this episode, and car is running, everything, almost everything is working, and all of this problem we will solve in the next episode. Thanks for watching, keep following.